So we've learned about the Base Angles Theorem and the converse of the Base Angles Theorem. Now we're going to talk about a corollary to the Base Angles Theorem. It says if a triangle is equilateral, remember what that means, all three sides are congruent, then it is also equiangular. Okay? So we know that the angles across from these congruent sides are congruent, and therefore all the angles are congruent. A corollary to the converse goes the other way. So if all the angles are equal, then all the sides are equal. So it goes hand in hand. The converse of that is true also. Find the measures of angle P, Q, and R. Well, what do we know? We know a triangle, the three angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So we must have a sum of 180. Now, we know that if all three sides are congruent, then all three angles must be congruent. And if all three angles are congruent, they must be the exact same amount, and they have to add up to 180. So if I simply take 180 and divide it up into three equal parts, each angle would be 60 degrees. And there you have it.